If you are investing in an edible oil plant overseas, what are your biggest concerns? Unreliable equipment or inadequate after-sales support? This is exactly what Hua Thai Group resolves for you. For over 30 years, we have provided global clients not just with efficient equipment, but with comprehensive solutions. We safeguard your profitability from the technical source with multiple core patents, ensuring high oil yield and quality in production lines. We eliminate your concerns through extensive service. With over 20 offices and overseas warehouses worldwide, we act as your dedicated support, ensuring rapid response and timely issue resolution. With advanced technological expertise in soybean oil processing, large-scale palm fruit oil extraction lines, and specialized experience in coconut, walnut, peanut, rapeseed, and flaxseed oil production, our global clients' trust is the ultimate validation of our technology and service. Dual engine model, Hua Thai Group, empowering your edible oil project to win from the very start.